Hello, I am Keitha Sequeira from class 7E. This is my travelogue to Baku in Azerbaijan. Went on this trip with my parents, my sister Keitha, my cousins Jennifer and John, and my uncle Joseph.
Hi guys, I'm in KCWA. I'm traveling to Baku with my family. I'm in Terminal 5 in KCWA.
Now, I'm at the Baku downtown.
Today is day 2 in Baku. We are currently in Gobustan.
Gobustan is famous for rock paintings and carvings. It has a historical heritage. First, we'll go to the Gobustan Museum and then we'll go to the rocks to explore them.
Let's go to the Gobustan Museum.
Heading to see the Gobustan rock art. The petroglyphs at Gobustan are UNESCO listed sites and date back till as far as 12th century BC. We are heading towards mud volcanoes with some awesome local music. We are at the Azerbaijan mud volcanoes. Azerbaijan has the highest number of mud volcanoes. The mud volcanoes consist of flammable methane. This is a fresh mud volcano. Now we reached Fire Temple. We are at the fire mountain in Azerbaijan. The presence of crude oil in the land here keeps the fire burning. We are at the Nizami Street.
Day 3, we are moving towards Travelogue. Right now, I'm at the Deri Baba Club.
We are at the Fundik Resort of Kabbalah. We are going to enjoy the cable car rides. We are going to sit in the cable car rides. This is Al Fazan Mosque in Baku City. It is one of the central mosques in Baku City. It is a very beautiful mosque. It is a must visit. Glimpses of walking tour to Baku City.
We are heading towards the duty-free and food court area.
Baku is the capital city of Azerbaijan. Azerbaijan is located in Europe and Asia. It was a brilliant and beautiful trip to Azerbaijan. I highly recommend everyone to visit Azerbaijan. I have brought back many amazing and excellent memories from Azerbaijan.